Hey, good morning to you on this rainy April 14th. As you can see, we have a Mini Cooper in the shop, and we love Minis here at Pals. We think they're awesome little cars. Anyway, they're fun to drive, and people really like them. This one has a turbocharging problem. The turbocharger's bad in it. And if you look, the turbocharger is located in a really difficult spot. You got to take a lot of the car apart to get to it. So we're going to replace this turbo. The turbo is part of the intake system on the car, and as you can see, this is the new turbo that will fit down the back side of this engine to make it run good as new. We're also putting a new serpentine belt on it and a washer fluid pump because the washer fluid pump no longer works. So if you're having turbo problems with your Mini Cooper, BMW, Audi, or any other import or standard American car, bring it to Pals. We'll help you get it running back the way it's supposed to be and hook you right up. We give a 3-year warranty nationwide, and like I said, we love Mini Coopers, even if they have just basic problems like needing an oil change. Bring it to Pals. Hope to see you soon with your Mini Cooper.